Hi guys, and welcome to another Canva video tutorial. Today I'll be showing you how you can add or insert a video into text using Canva. So let's get started. Click on the color tab, and out of the different colors shown, I'll choose the black color for my background. However, since I tend to use the 𝑤𝒐𝒐 for my project, I'll go on the left hand side of the toolbar, click on the Elements tab and look for Flames. I'll scroll down to the bottom and find each letter that will be used in this video. Once done, click on each letter and place it on the background. Then rearrange and group each letter and position the text in the center of the page. Then go to the Video tab, click on Video, and search for the area viewed by flame. Take a look at all videos and choose one you like. Let's select this one and preview it. So now it's time to insert the video into each letter. To do that, drag and drop the video in each letter. Then double click on the video to resize and adjust it. However, ensure that the entire page is filled with the video and it's not overlapping. So we'll do the same process with the remaining letters. Once finished, let's take a look at how the video looks like. However, it's also possible to animate the text. To do that, click on the pop animation under the Animate tab. So that's how you can insert a video into a text using Canva. Thanks for watching and subscribe to the channel.